main strut is seized. This is going to be a nightmare to move.
Oh! Hold it! Pressure is peaking! Watch the main spar! Steady! Don't let the tail swing! Keep the tension!
This entire manifold is shot. We need to replace it with a modern digital block. Torque set, solid. Core engine is secured. "70 meters of pure luxury. This is where the Grand Suite goes."
Perfect alignment.
Secure the panel.
Looks flawless.
Systems online. The old girl has a new brain now. She's ready. The Queen of the Skies is back.
From a desert grave to a palace in the clouds, the rebirth is complete.
Keep pressing. Almost there, so nice and flat now. No leaks allowed at 35,000 feet. This has to be perfect. Hold steady. Easy, easy, down.
Check those legs!
Right there, solid. Nice work, team. Easy, easy. And locked. Perfect fit.
Atmosphere is everything. From sunset to deep space in one touch.
A cellar at 10,000 meters. Only on the Deep Reborn 747. Keep it steady, guide it in. Aligning now, slow, slow. Contact, starting the torque sequence. Mirror finish. Aerodynamics never looked so good.
Route uploaded. New York to London. The world is our playground now.
And the door's shut.
85 decibels. Now watch this. 40 decibels. You can hear a pin drop in here while the engines roar outside.
Tank 1 is sealed, pressure holding, we're ready for fueling.
She's standing on her own now. Time to show the world what we've built.
Clear view. Ready for the horizon.
Balance is perfect. She's hungry for air.
Set. Verified. Engage recline. Smooth as silk.
Entertainment at 40,000 feet. Better than any cinema on Earth. It's done. She's no longer a wreck. She's a masterpiece. We didn't just fix a plane. We gave a giant a second life in the stars.
From the dust of the past to the glory of the future. Deep Reborn.